Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off notifications over from the Discord app. So if you don't get any notifications on your phone from the Discord app, then here's how you can basically stop that. So first of all, open the Discord app like this, and once you're done with that, head over to the bottom right corner of your screen at your profile picture, and then go to the top right corner of your screen at that settings icon. Basically, once you're done with that, all you need to do is scroll a little bit down till you find app settings, and then under app settings you will find notifications. And what you need to do is basically just click on get notifications outside of the app, and once you're done with clicking on that, just click on notifications and make sure that allow notifications is disabled. This means that you will not get any notifications outside the app. However, when you are actually in the app, you will still receive notifications. So yeah, that's how you can stop notifications from Discord basically. If you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.